This is one of my favorite squid recipe aside from adobo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this quick and easy sauteed squid in cumin. So let's get started. Let's start with melting our butter. This is around 4 tablespoons of butter. You can either add more or less of butter if you want to. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 head of minced garlic. Then followed with our chopped onions.
And add chopped tomato. Cook tomato until soft.
I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my favorite chili garlic sauce. We have 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garlic and onion powder, and then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and of course our salt and pepper. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to balance the taste. And then we're gonna add our squid, which is around 2 pounds of squid. It's been gutted and cleaned. And lastly, we're gonna add some chopped cilantro, green chilies, and green onions.